Today you learn one great statement in Sanskrit. Please repeat after me. Dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. और एक बार. Dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. It means if you take care of your meditation will take care of you. It's like vriksho rakshati rakshitaha. If you take care of the trees, your trees will take care of you. Similarly, dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. If you take care of your meditation will take care of you. And if you don't take care of meditation, there is nobody to take care of you. You are a loner. You are isolated from the whole. But when you are doing meditation, you are one with the whole. The whole gets to help you. The whole rushes to help you. Only when you are with the whole. When you are not with the whole cannot do anything. In meditation, you become one with the whole. And the whole gives you everything. The whole gives you whole. This whole meaning comes in one statement, brief statement. Dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. That's all. Dhyanam is meditation. Rakshati means if you take care of. Rakshitam means it will take care of you. Dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. Can you repeat after me? Dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. Again. Dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. Again. Dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. This is the great statement which gives you everything. The whole subject. The whole truth. We want somebody to take care of us. Who is going to take care of you? Not your parents, not your partners, not your children, not your neighbors, not the gods sitting in the world. Higher, your meditation. You are closing your eyes and observing the becoming one with the breath. Your meditation will take care of you. Because when you are connected to the breath, you are connected to the cosmic energy. When you keep your attention on the breath, then cosmic energy flows into you. You need that cosmic energy to take care of you. Dhyanam, meditation, is nothing but Akash Ganga Snan, taking a shower bath in the cosmic energy. When we were referring to Ganga Snan, we were only referring to this Ganga Snan, not the other Ganga Snan. In the Triveni or in the Allahabad or in the Rishikesh. This is the Ganga Snan. And this Ganga Snan you can take anywhere. In your own home. Close your eyes. The first thing that you have to do when you wake up is to sit on the bed itself. Close your eyes again and start observing the breathing. 1 hour, 2 hours meditation. Then get up and do other work. And before you go to sleep, again the work is meditation. After you wake up from your sleep, the work is meditation. The day should begin with meditation and the day should end with meditation. Every day. In your own bed, just sit like this. Hands into hands, fingers into fingers. And closing the eyes and observing the breathing. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. And if you don't have any work in the day, sit throughout the day. If you have work, take care of the work. But if you don't have work, sit in meditation. Sit and 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 sit. To do work you must stand. But to do meditation you must sit. The more you can sit, the more you can stand. The more you do meditation, the work done by you otherwise it becomes better. Yogaha karmasu kaushalam. Through yoga, you get efficiency in all your karmas. Therefore, you become a yogi. This is the injunction from Bhagavad Gita. Since through yoga, all your karmas become more effective, do yoga, hey Arjun. Yogi bhava. Yoga means union. Yunjate iti yogaha. Union. This hand must unite with this hand. These fingers must unite with these fingers. This leg should be unite with this leg. and closing the eyes, closing the mouth, and becoming one with the breath, which is there in the pyramid. This nose is the pyramid. And the Guru sits in the pyramid. Pyramid is full of fire. Paira mid means fire in the middle. So when you are with your breath, you are burning all your dross, all your past karmas. So many lifetimes we have done so many bad karmas, negative karmas. We have harmed so many people, we have killed so many animals, birds and fish. Who is going to atone for them? You have to do it. You have to clear all your past life's karma, every bit of it. How do you do it? You burn that in the fire of the breath. When you clear all of your past karma, then you become a free person, free of karma. All the negative karma is your stupid choice. All your positive karma is your great choice. Choices and choices and choices. We choose to do meditation or we choose not to do meditation. We choose to eat plants or we choose to eat animals. Everything is our choice. Our choice is for eternity. We are all free beings forever. But free to do what? Not free to harm others. You are free to harm others, but you will be harmed by the consequences. Law of karma. So how are you choosing? And you have chosen 4 days here in this Pyramid Valley. I give you all my namaskars, pranams to you. You are a wonderful choice. You could have also not come here. But you chose to come here. When you chose to come here, you will get the benefits of this place. When you choose to do meditation, you will get the benefits of meditation. When you don't choose meditation, you will not get into the benefits of meditation. Only one thing can save you, your own meditation. People come to me, Swamiji, do something for us. I can't do anything for you. After a question, prima facie. Only you can do something for yourself. Close your eyes and observe the breathing, then you are doing something for yourself. I cannot do anything for anybody. Nobody can do anything for anybody else. That is the law. That is the truth. You have to do your meditation. Only your meditation will save you, not my meditation. My meditation will only save me. Your meditation can only save you, not your husband, not your wife, not your children. When the parents do meditation, children automatically do meditation. The way to make your children go into meditation is to be into meditation yourself. That's all. If there is work, take care of the work with your hands. But if there is no work, clasp the hands, hand into hand. Close your eyes and observe the breathing. And if there is some work, remove the hands and do the work with your hands. And if there is no work, both hands together, eyes closed, and becoming one with the breath. The flow of the energy, getting connected to the cosmic energy, Akash Ganga Snan. Dhyanam rakshati rakshitam. The meditation done by you, taken care by you, will in turn take care of you. I can tell about my truth. I can tell about my meditation, but I can't give you meditation, I can't give you truth. You have to grasp the truth. You have to do meditation. Thank you very much.